13 Amazing Health Benefits of Celery. Celery health benefits includes fighting inflammation, flushing out toxins, supporting good digestion, speeding up weight loss, guarding the liver and boosting the body immune system, reducing cholesterol, regulating blood pressure levels, fighting cancer, curing insomnia, enhancing the skin, reducing arthritis pain, and supporting the heart health. But do you know what is celery? Celery is a famous light green plant. It has long, firm fibrous stalks and grows in bunches of approximately 8 to 10. The stalks taper into leaves at the top. It has a tangy and salty taste, moreover it is a famous ingredient in many types of stews and salads. It belongs to the Apiaceae vegetable family, which means that this plant can be eaten raw. However, celery juice is one of the best remedies for regulating blood pressure levels and is proven to have a calming effect on the entire body. Thanks to a wide variety of nutrients provided by celery. There are many important vitamins and minerals in celery that the body needs daily. Since celery is a natural product, it has almost no harmful effects and is consumed by thousands of persons all over the world. Now that we know what celery is, here are 13 amazing health benefits of this vegetable. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory. Many people did not know that inflammation serves as our body's natural way to respond to an injury or infection to kill harmful stimuli. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it acts as a serious disease that fights against recovery and healing. This chronic condition also leads to different sicknesses including autoimmune diseases, gastrointestinal infections, and respiratory abnormalities. Thanks to celery for the many antioxidants, it also features unbelievable anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that there are over 12 different types of antioxidants that are present in celery. This makes it a natural cure for relieving liver problems, UTI infections, and skin disorders. Number 2. Flushes out toxins out of the body. Considering that celery contains many antioxidants, it is not surprising to know that it is capable of flushing harmful toxins from the body. Consuming this vegetable helps you to keep away from many possible diseases and infections of the gallbladder, pancreas, and kidneys, which triggered by toxins. Number 3. Supporting good digestion. This natural gift from nature also contains polysaccharides which support a healthy digestive function. Polysaccharides are pectin-based antioxidants that provide a host of anti-inflammatory benefits. There are many studies to support the claim that celery extracts are helpful in preventing gastric ulcer. Number 4. Speeds up weight loss. Celery is loaded with important vitamins and minerals. Therefore, it acts as a valuable part of a nutritious diet, especially when you are on a weight loss diet. Because it is low in calories, people who are on a diet love consuming celery in their salads. It is also a flavorful ingredient of many soups, broths, and stews. It is also a great snack to munch on when you are feeling peckish. Number 5. Guards the liver. Another great benefit of having celery is that it helps in reducing the fat buildup inside the liver. This means that celery is a must-have ingredient to consume if you are suffering from fatty liver disease. Mix it in juice, in your salads, or even eat it raw to ensure regular consumption. Number 6. Reduces cholesterol levels. Celery has a natural ability to reduce cholesterol because of its compound 3N-butylphthalide, which possess a lipid-reducing action. That is why food experts highly recommend the consumption of celery if you have high levels of bad cholesterol or LDL. Liking the video? Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and watch it to the end for a bonus tip. Number 7. Regulating blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that celery seed extracts contain anti-hypertensive properties that can regulate a good blood pressure level. When you can maintain a good blood pressure level, you can prevent many complicated diseases that are triggered by poor blood circulation. Celery acts as a muscle relaxant to relieve the entire body, while the seeds are helpful in reducing inflammation. Number 8. Boosting immunity. Celery helps to boost the immune system because of its rich vitamin C content. It also supports the development of a powerful and structured immune system so that we are less at risk to infections and viruses. If you are a person who suffer from the common cold frequently, a regular consumption of celery will protect you against frequent attacks. Number 9. Fighting cancer. Celery contains polyacetylenes. These are kemo-protective compounds to prevent the start of cancer. It also means that celery has huge benefits at a cellular level. It supports the immune system and prevent diseases by flushing toxins out of the body. Because of its anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic properties, celery is proven to prevent many forms of cancers, especially breast cancer. Number 10. Curing insomnia. If you are having difficulty sleeping or suffer from a sleep disorder such as insomnia, you are sure to benefit from celery juice. Thanks to the magnesium content in celery, it activates a soothing and calming effect on the nerves to promote a good sleeping pattern. Number 11. Guarantees good skin. Celery juice is commonly used for maintaining a younger looking skin. Since it has a high level of water, it is an important part of a nutritious diet to keep the body hydrated. However, consuming celery juice also has important effect on the skin to make it soft and smooth. Number 12. Reduces arthritis pain. Because of its anti-inflammatory nutrients, celery is a great way to reduce pain and symptoms of diseases such as gout, arthritis, and rheumatism. If you are experiencing swelling and painful joints, then regular consumption of celery will help to reduce your pain. Celery can also serve as a diuretic, which means that it can help in relieving pain due to the formation of uric acid crystals that build up around the joints that caused severe pain. Number 13. Good for heart health. Celery is known to promote good blood circulation. It helps to maintain a healthy heart and prevent it from complications due to bad cholesterol. Because of its rich nutritional value and abundant of antioxidants, consuming this vegetable daily guarantee to make you less vulnerable to heart complications in later years of your life. Here is our bonus tip: celery is good for diabetics. Celery contains small amount of glycemic index, a substance similar in action to insulin, which reduces blood sugar level. Although celery contains a moderate amount of carbohydrates, it is indicated for diabetics. Is celery safe for everyone? For most people, celery is a healthy dietary inclusion, but for some they may be allergic. A mild reaction may include symptoms such as an itching mouth or tongue, sneezing or a runny nose. Combining celery with cucumber, apple, spinach, and lemon can produce a tasty and nutritious smoothie. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below.